Hey everyone, today we arrived at the cottage village named Polo Villas, and it's located just right next to the airport, on the airport highway. And we have a small 2-floor cottage for you for sale directly from its owner. We were very attracted by the price of it, because the owner is in a big hurry and he sells it in a lower price than the developer of the project himself. For example, the developer himself sells these cottages at the prices starting from $80,000, and this price is for black frame. And the owner sells only for $70,000 with repairs, furniture and the technique. The first thing worth paying attention to is the perfect silence in the area, despite the fact that it's located 5 minutes drive from the Batumi center and 2 minutes drive from the beach. The territory here is just gorgeous. There are recreation areas, tennis tables, playgrounds, a place for the barbecue when all the neighbors can gather and sit by the fire in the evening in the nice company. In short future, small shops, cafes and restaurants will be opened here as well. There is also 24-hour security service and no issues with the parking at all. Absolutely every single house has its parking lot. Plus there is a management company, so you can give them your home keys and they will take care of your house and rent it in a high season. Well, house number 10 is up for sale, so let's go in and see what's inside. It's 2-story house and it's only 80 square meters. Has 2 bathrooms on the first and the second floor. Also house is gasified. Now we leave the bathroom and going out into the hall. By the way, a great solution to make such a pull-out wardrobes under the stairs. Here is the guest room on the first floor itself, which also has a built-in kitchen and staircase that leads into the second floor. Also, this room has 2 exits and one of them is an exit to the back of the yard. On such a small nice balcony, with pleasant clean air, nice atmosphere and even with a tree full of tangerines. It was also a wise decision to put an extra tap on the balcony in case if you suddenly decide to clean the fish. Now let's go up to the second floor. Here is an isolated large bedroom with a separate bathroom. By the way, there is also a full bath instead of the shower cabin. On the second floor there are also 2 exits for both balconies, one of which is on the side of the bedroom and the other on the side of the main entrance. This is how the house looks from outside. And now let's walk aside and I'll show you its location so that you can understand where it's exactly located. Literally after some 30 meters after turning to the right, you'll find yourself on the airport highway. This is the airport itself. From here you can reach the city in just 5 minutes. Once again, the price of this house is $70,000, 80 square meters with renovation, furniture and technique. Maintenance fee costs $50 per month. My name is David Surkawa, this is the phone number of our agency, so feel free to call us and ask all questions. Everyone have a good day, see ya!